If Mangwawe is still in Musamseleku's life, Makwela and her kids are not going to be the part of Musamseleku's family. Mangwawe controls Musamseleku more than anyone. Even Mayeni, she is better than Mangwawe because Mayeni accepts Mangwawe and Makumalo, but Mangwawe can't accept Makwela and her kids, and it is going to be the problem. Mangwawe, she is no longer in love with Musamseleku. The reason why she is not going to leave the marriage because she want to fix Macele. Mangwawe is not fixing Macele, is fixing her husband Musamseleku. But she have to understand that Mangwawe is the wife number 4. Why she can't accept Makwela? Musamseleku tolerate Mangwawe more than anyone. When you saw Musamseleku gave all the blames to Makumalo because he doesn't want Mangwawe to get hit by the comments on social media that Mangwawe is the reason why Makwela is not the part of the family. Even Macele knows that Musamseleku, he is in fear to lose Mangwawe. If Mangwawe, she is still in Musamseleku's life, guys, the Makwela, we have to forget about Makwela to be the part of the family, or Makwela to stay in Muzumbe with the Musamseleku. Because Musamseleku was with Makwela, Mangwawe saw them together, she got angry. Guys, that woman, guys, Mangwawe, I don't understand her attitude. She have got a bad attitude, Mangwawe. Even people, you can insult me or what. That woman, she have got a bad attitude because Musamseleku, why he said Mangwawe insult him and he can't have got a conversation with Mangwawe. But when it comes to Makumalo, he says, I will punish you, what. But to Mangwawe, he can't do the same thing. And if this woman is still in his life, Musamseleku and Makwela, they are not going to stay together. So Musamseleku have to choose between Mangwawe and Makwela. And what I saw Musamseleku, he is wasting Makwela's time. That Samke have to open her eyes and live her life, because now they are living like boyfriend and girlfriend now. They are not being allowed to be free with another woman. So Musamseleku sometimes have to think about Makwela's future. Makwela, she is still young, and Musamseleku, he is wasting her time now because he knows he can't lose Mangwawe. Mangwawe told Musamseleku that if I leave, when you bring the number 5, I will leave the marriage. And Mangwawe was threatening Musamseleku. Musamseleku brought her a new house. That's why Mangwawe, she can't leave. You understand it? Because the Mangwawe, when she is leaving, Musamseleku is going to stay at her parents' house, her mother's house. So Mangwawe decided to stay, but she is no longer in love with the Musamseleku. And at another side, Musamseleku, his hands are tightened now by Mangwawe. Sometimes you guys don't listen to Musamseleku what he is saying, that Makumalo is the reason why those wives, they are not accepting Makwela. No, it's Mangwawe. Musamseleku, he can say with his mouth, but to Musamseleku, guys, you have to watch the actions, how he talks, how his actions, you can saw that the reason why Makwela is not the part of the family because of this woman. Mayeni, she is not like that. Mayeni can't accept now. Because I remember Mayeni on season 8, Musamseleku introduced Makwela and say, I have number 5. Mayeni got upset because she was asking, who is that girl? What's her name? That accept Makwela. Mayeni answered, Macele answer Mayeni that you can't ask you Musamseleku in front of me. So Mayeni was asking why you called us. You can't us to talk. It's not about Mayeni was upset because of Makwela. No, Mayeni, she doesn't have a problem. That's why you saw Musamseleku and Mayeni, their relationship is very good. Musamseleku knows that Mayeni at the time, she can accept Makwela. But the problem is this one, the younger one, Mangwawe. Makumalo and Musamseleku, yes, they've got issues. But Makumalo, yes, to Makwela, he wronged Makumalo for took Makwela. They came from the same place. But Makumalo, they fight because Musamseleku disrespect Makumalo a lot in front of his wives. That's why now Makhumalo, she doesn't want anything to do with him. But the problem why Makwela is not the part of the family is Mangwabe.